99% of people don't know where this famous brand started. Where was the very first factory of the Royal Typewriter Company located? In what year did the Royal Typewriter Company begin manufacturing in Brooklyn? Who were the two inventors that started the Royal Typewriter Company? Who provided the financial backing to start the Royal Typewriter factory in Brooklyn? What was the name of the first typewriter model produced in the Brooklyn factory? After starting in Brooklyn, to which city did Royal Typewriters move its main manufacturing plant? What type of facility did Royal Typewriters first use in Brooklyn? What was a major selling point of the early Royal Typewriters made in Brooklyn? In what New York borough did the Royal Typewriter Company have its humble beginnings? Why did the Royal Typewriter Company leave Brooklyn for Connecticut?